Hi guys, today I am going to show you 3 products that I recently repurchased that I really love, that are affordable, and it transitioned this eyeshadow look from this into this. These are really some of my favorite products that I often repurchase because they're not that expensive, and I really love the quality of these products. So if you're interested in seeing which products I used, keep watching and I hope you enjoy the video. The first of the 3 products I'd like to share with you today is this NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner, the color is black. It has a soft felt tip and I use this eyeliner to do a wing on the upper lid. You'll see I already have eyeliner in the waterline at the bottom. That is a different eyeliner that I used there. It's just a kohl eyeliner, whereas this one I like to use for the wings. What I like about this eyeliner is that the point is flexible, but it's still quite thin, so you can very easily get a nice sharp eyeliner, eye wing. I do have some of my more expensive brands that go a little darker than this one, but it's really a good quality considering it's a drugstore brand. It's really easy to use, easy to apply, and I mean, for the price you pay, that's really dark enough. Now, I've never had a problem with this eyeliner coming off halfway through the day. It lasts throughout a whole work day. And the other thing that I really like about this eyeliner is the fact that it lasts about 3 times as long as some of my other pencils, my other liquid eyeliner pencils. As in the content in here, there's about 3 times as much. It doesn't go dry as quickly as some of my other liquid eyeliner pens do. The next product that I recently repurchased that you probably saw in most of my videos so far is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. It holds the curl of the eyelashes quite well, and I don't have very long eyelashes, but they do feel like it's something that when I do not wear falsies, I feel comfortable in going out. I like putting these on before I do eyelashes as well. It just blends my natural eyelashes into the false lashes very beautifully. Now, some of the features I really love about this mascara is the fact that when I walk to work or walk to the train station before I go to work, especially in the summer, I tend to get very sweaty sometimes, and my mascara tends to smudge against the upper part of my eyes, and with the hooded eyes it just becomes one big mess. And with this mascara I haven't had that experience. I think it's because it's more of a piping type of mascara, so it doesn't become wet again when your sweat gets on your eyelashes. And that's been a problem for me for very long, because I used to hate going to work in the summers because my mascara used to end up on my eyes almost always, and I've been searching very long for something that doesn't do that, and this mascara has been the best one that I've used so far that does not end up on my lids at the end of the day. Okay, this one I'm gonna try to show it to you in the packaging, but I did already open it, so it kind of falls around because I did use them once. So these are the Ardell Professional Deluxe Pack 120 Black Eyelashes. I sometimes just shorten these and use it as a half lash when I want a very natural look, or when I want it a bit fuller, I just keep it at the full length. It is short enough for me to work in the full length. You do get a little eyelash adhesive with these lashes. Duo eyelash glue is very good. I do not use this personally, not because it's a bad eyelash glue, but it is very runny and I struggle to work with it a bit. So I use this Kiss Strip Lash eyelash glue. It comes with a little applicator that you can just wipe it onto the back of the lashes with. It's a bit easier for me to work with. So you can just measure them on your eye, and then from the outer side you snip it. If it's a bit too long, you just cut one or two of these clusters at the end off. I like to just bend my eyelashes a bit before I apply it the first time. You'll see these eyelashes have a very, very thin lash band, and it's almost like an invisible lash band on your eyes. So I really like using them because it doesn't leave that thick black line on your eyelids. So they end up looking a lot more natural than the ones with the thicker lash lines like this one. Most people just apply a dot of glue on the ends and a dot in the middle, and it works perfectly for them. I like to have my lash a bit supported all the way through, so I just put a thin line of glue all the way from one end to the other. And then you just wait for about 30 seconds to a minute for the lash glue to get tacky before you apply it. So once the lash glue starts getting tacky, this specific brand, you can see it's not as blue anymore, it's a lot lighter. It becomes clear, so you don't see this white strip on your eyes. Now I try to work from the top. Just place the center down, and then I secure the side and the inner side. And then I just make sure it dries a bit, so I just leave it still for a moment. And then I just press my natural lashes against the lash line, the eyelashes. There we go. Now what an amazing transformation those three products make when you do your eyeshadow. It really makes it look from eyeshadow to a very elegant, well-rounded eyeshadow look. And these three products really make such a huge difference in my eyeshadow look when I do my general day-to-day eyeshadow. You can see the lashes are not overly dramatic. They're soft and gentle and semi-natural, but it still gives you that nice feminine flair. These probably are my top 3 makeup products that I would always repurchase. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Hope to see you next time. Bye!